You've seen how to skip count to find a total number of items quickly, counting by twos, by fives, by tens, or by any number that lets you find a count quickly and accurately. You've also seen how to use the technique of counting on, meaning that you start counting from a number greater than 1. A 6-pack of soda plus 3 more sodas means counting from 6 to get to 9. In this video, we'll combine both techniques and turn you into a counting superstar. Let's start with an example. Tennis balls come packaged 3 to a container. There are 4 packages, along with 2 loose tennis balls. How many tennis balls are there? Here's an example where you can start with a skip count and finish by counting on. First, let's skip count by 3s to find the total number of tennis balls in the 4 containers. 3, 6, 9, 12. There are a total of 12 tennis balls in the 4 containers. Next, we count on by 2s. Let's count. 12, 14. There are a total of 14 tennis balls. See how the combination of skip counting and counting on gets you to a total quickly and accurately? Let's look at another example. A milk crate holds 4 1-gallon containers of milk. There are 3 full milk crates and 3 loose gallon containers. How many gallons of milk total are there? Here is another example of using skip counting and counting on. In this case, the skip counting is by 4s. So let's skip count by 4s 3 times. 4, 8, 12. There are 12 1-gallon containers of milk in the crates. Now let's use counting on to find the remainder. Let's count. 12, 15. So there are a total of 15 1-gallon containers of milk. Let's look at a final example. A shoe store was running out of a popular type of shoe when a box arrived with 8 additional pairs of that shoe. How many total shoes are there? Shoes come in pairs, and there are 8 pairs in the big box. So let's skip count by 2s 8 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There are a total of 16 shoes in the large box. You can double check by counting the 8 skips we did by 2s. We now count on from there by another 2. Let's count. 16, 18. There are a total of 18 shoes. So you've seen how the combination of skip counting and counting on can make your counting quick and accurate. You are now a counting rock star.